Remember the viral Ghibli style art trend that filled everyone's feeds? It's a common phenomenon for a new artistic trend to completely take over social media. Now, Google has launched its most advanced image editing model, a tool so powerful it's creating a new wave of viral content. Meet Nano Banana, Google's latest and most powerful image editing model, a project from Google DeepMind. And it's now available right inside the Gemini app and Google AI Studio. This thing lets you transform your photos with simple text prompts, and the results are honestly bananas. But what makes Nano Banana so special? So, what's the big deal about Nano Banana? Well, Nano Banana was built to solve the biggest problem in AI photo editing: consistent likeness. This model was specifically trained to understand and preserve key features. You upload a photo of yourself or your pet, and the AI creates a digital understanding of you. From that point on, you can put yourself in a new scenario, a new costume, or even a different time period, and your face stays yours. One of the most viral trends is turning yourself into an action figure, and you may have seen lots and lots of photos on your social media feed. How it works and what it can do. The process is incredibly simple. Just upload your photo and describe what you want to change using the natural language. The model supports multi-turn editing, so you can build a scene piece by piece. For example, see yourself in a different decade or appear in a famous TV show. And for the artists out there, style mixing lets you transfer textures and aesthetics from one image to another. How can you try it? Are you ready to give it a shot? All you need is a Gemini app and Google AI Studio. Step 1. Head to the Google AI Studio website or log in with your Google account. Look for Try Nano Banana option. This will open an interactive chat-like window. Now just type in what you want to create or click the plus button to upload a photo and start editing. It's that simple. Google has clearly gone bananas with this one, and users are loving it. It's a tool that takes AI editing from a novelty to a genuinely useful and powerful creative companion. Now it's your turn. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.